Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app lets you make dine-in reservations at participating table service restaurants throughout Disneyland resorts. So you can search by date, time, location, and party size, then reserve your preferred restaurant directly from the app. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to make a dine-in reservation in Disneyland mobile app, perfect for planning your Disneyland meals in advance. So first thing, open the Disneyland mobile app, like starts by launching the app. Open the Disneyland app and sign into your Disney account. You are now ready to search for dine-in reservations. Okay, so open dine-in reservations. Okay, so inside the app, tap the plus button or open the menu, select check dining availability or reserve dining. Okay, so you have to find it here. So as you can see here, you have many options. Okay, so the first one, the dining reservation search page will open. After this, enter your dining details. Okay, so select your party size, choose your preferred dining date, select a preferred meal time or time range, choose a restaurant or browse available locations. The app will display available reservation time that match your search. Okay, so choose a reservation time. Once you find a restaurant, tap your preferred reservation time, review the restaurant details, and check the cancellation policy if applicable. Okay, so now you are ready to confirm your reservation. After that, confirm your reservation. Like before finishing, verify your party size, date and time, enter or confirm your required contact and payment information, and tap confirm reservation or book. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.